Hey everyone, this is Matt with UNM Housing. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to properly load the washing machines whenever you go to do laundry. Step 1. Remember that products such as detergent, boosters, and scent beads go in first. Do make sure not to use too much laundry detergent, as too much is bad for the machines and for your clothes. To avoid overloading a front-loading washing machine, make sure you can comfortably fit your hand vertically inside the barrel without touching any clothes. Use the same measurement from the top of the agitator for top-loading machines. Alternatively, you can use the white laundry bags provided by UNM Housing as a general guide for the size of one load of laundry. If you need a free laundry bag, please stop by the SRC Commons help desk or your respective help desk, and our staff would be happy to give you one. Adjust the machine settings accordingly. Select light, medium, or heavy depending on the soil level of your clothes. For a normal cycle, press normal. Permanent press for synthetic materials, and delegates for delicate items and natural fibers. Select the temperature of the water, cold, warm, or hot, depending on how soiled your clothes are. Just know that hot water will make your clothes fade faster. After that, you can press start on the machine and probably set a timer so that you don't leave your clothes sitting for too long. Remember, this is a communal space and other residents need to use the machines as well. When the cycle has finished, remove your items and leave the door open to avoid mold and mildew. That's all for today, but keep an eye out for our next video on how to utilize the drying machines. Have a great day and go Lobos!